In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a protocol and practice better. By the end, you'll have a reusable template that saves time and keeps your client care consistent and clear. First, head into your account and navigate to My Practice. Then, open Protocol Templates. Click Create New. This is where you'll set the foundation for a protocol you can use again and again. So it's worth taking a moment to think about structure and clarity before you start typing. Begin by filling in the name, goal, duration, and description. Choose a name that's specific and recognizable at a glance so you can find it quickly later. The goal should describe the desired outcome in plain language, like supporting energy, digestion, or sleep quality. For duration, enter the time frame you expect the client to follow this plan, perhaps 1, 2, or 4 weeks. Keep it realistic and measurable so you can track progress. In the description, give a short overview of what the protocol covers and how it's meant to be used. This helps you and your clients understand the purpose without hunting through the details. Keep your wording client-friendly and avoid jargon where possible. Next, add your food, supplement, and lifestyle recommendations. In the food section, outline what to focus on, what to limit if relevant, and any simple meal structure or timing tips. Clear examples go a long way here, like portions, frequency, or hydration targets. In supplements, list items thoughtfully, including when to take them and with or without food, keeping safety in mind and staying within your scope of practice. For lifestyle, include habits that support the goal. Sleep routines, movement guidelines, stress management, or mindful practices. Keep recommendations actionable and specific so they're easy to follow. If you have helpful resources, attach any files you want, such as PDFs or handouts. Think recipe collections, shopping lists, quick start guides, or exercise sheets. Use descriptive file names so you can recognize them instantly later. Attaching these items keeps everything in one place and reduces the need for separate messages or links. When you're satisfied, save the template. Saving locks in your structure, text, and attachments so you can reuse and adapt the protocol for different clients without rebuilding it from scratch. You can always come back later to revise or update it as your approach evolves. That's it. You've created a clear, organized protocol in Practice Better, ready to apply consistently, personalize efficiently, and deliver with confidence.